today we're gonna be working on some side tables for our bedroom. They're gonna be kind of high. They're gonna be 36 inches tall. And I went and I picked up some poplar. I also got some birch, some yellow birch for the top. And I also picked up some more maple and birch for the shadow boxes. If you haven't checked those out, I'll link that in the description. I'm excited about these side tables because we're back to making a little bit of furniture, like I said. I'm also gonna have plans available, so check that link out. I'm charging $5. It's a smoking deal for these things. I worked hard on them. You know, if you like it, hey, quiet please. If you like this project, you should check out those plans, give them a purchase, and build one of these for yourself. You can always make them a little less tall if, you know, your bed's not 3 feet high like ours is. So we're gonna mill some of these babies up, get our pieces ready, and then start assembly. It's a simple build. Come along with us. It's gonna be a fun one. Let's do it. Okay, so we got the legs done, nice and square. Cut them to 35 inches, but I'm realizing I might end up putting some feet on the bottom, some adjustable feet. So they might come down a little bit more. Plans call for 35 inches if you're gonna do it just like that. So there's those. Next thing we need to do is make some way to attach these at the top. We're gonna call these spacers. So we'll cut those spacers, and I think while we're at it, we're also just gonna cut the drawers to rough length. It's all gonna be made out of poplar, 3/4 inch or whatever you wanna plane it down to. And so we'll just rough cut those just to get them out of the way. And then next video we'll probably assemble the drawers. So last thing for this morning is we'll cut our spacers and cut our drawer box boards and hopefully glue a couple of these legs up, make it look a little bit more like a nightstand. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this morning. We got a pretty good jump on it. We got our legs and our spacers all put together. So this is gonna make one side, two sides of the nightstand. Obviously there's gonna be a couple shelves and a drawer in there, top to hold it all together. But thanks for hanging out. Tomorrow we'll pick up where we left off, start with probably the assembly of the drawer, and then move on to making some tabletops, because those might take some time. We're gonna have to laminate some boards together to get that width. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Always trust your guide. We'll see you next time.